Jasper, are you okay?
Whoa. Knew this would happen. Just come over here already.
Oh.
All right, well, time to skate. All right. In line and jump.
Yeah! Guess I'm trying that.
All right, here we go. Yeah. Oh, I'm probably gonna slip. Let me try.
Whoa, whoa!
Yeah. It's fun. Whoa.
Okay. Jasper, are you alright?
Oh, yeah. It's Christmas. There's no reason to be upset.
Huh, yeah.
Alright. Just gotta.
Chucky, are you okay?
Yeah, super slippery.
Yeah, maybe we should go inside.
Yeah. Let's go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see what Santa brought us. Oh, sour stuff? And just chocolate.
Oh, whatever.
Are y'all sure about eating those? They look really sour.
Yeah, let's have a taste test.
Alright, there's literally no way this is sour.
Let me try.
Or you can.
Sour or good?
Sour. That's good.
Let me try. All right. Okay, chocolate, good. Next, crybaby.
Okay.
All right,
Crybabies, nitro sours.
yellow for me.
Same.
Here we go.
Alright,
Sour but good.
let me try.
Yeah, Chucky's a crybaby. Okay, that was good actually. Jasper, you sure don't want it? You sure you don't want any?
Yeah.
Okay, the gum has completely lost its flavor. Oh, warheads. Uh-oh. Okay. Whatever you do, don't give me black cherry. I'm not like that. Okay. Kind of scared about this one. I can handle crybabies, but warheads are like one of the sourest candies. So, okay. All right, I'm gonna try red. So here we go. Okay. Ah! 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 Oh! Ah! 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 Oh! Ow! Ow! It hurts! Ah!
Oh my god.
Ah!
Oh.
That is so gross! Ah! It's still in there! Ah! Ah! Okay. Lesson learned, don't eat warheads.
Ah!
I'm gonna spit this out.
We gotta try other flavors.
Alright, so we're gonna try
Blue.
more flavors. Blue. Let's go. Okay.
Oh, what the heck? Oh. I like Tyler. No.
It's gross. Sour.
Alright, now it's got a good flavor.
Okay, guys, actually, the blue ones are good. They just have a really bad before taste. It's like sour, but then it tastes like a Jolly Rancher.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Try green.
But okay, actually, I give that one a thumbs up.
Yeah, thumbs up.
Yeah. Okay,
Last
let's try
one
the other
minute.
flavors. Let's see. Purple. Is purple black cherry?
No, it says it's watermelon.
Watermelon?
Wait, hold on. There's lemon.
We'll try lemon later.
Raspberry.
Let's try purple.
So this must be black cherry. Hold on.
Wait, which one's black cherry? I don't want. Do it. Wait, do I have to try it? Oh no. Okay, this is black cherry. Oh no. I told you guys I didn't want this.
Here we go.
Oh no. Full reaction time.
All right, here we go, guys.
Okay.
Oh, it tastes like stinky feet.
Oh. Ah.
My tongue hurts.
No.
Mm.
That hurts. No, that ain't so bad. But yet again, it has a good aftertaste. Thumbs down for that one.
Yeah,
that one was really, really sour. Yeah, I'm spitting that out. So wait, are you just gonna taste test sour candies this whole episode? Yes. Fine by me. Okay, let's try something else. What should we try now?
Let's try green.
Green, yay, okay.
Green apple.
Green apple. Okay. Known for being kind of sour, but compared to black cherry, I don't think it'll be that bad. So let's go.
No.
Okay. Reaction table. It's in.
This is good.
Oh,
Tastes like a Jolly Rancher.
that's good. Oh. No, that's actually good.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up, yeah.
Yeah.
Like, we had no reaction from it. It was good. Approved. Okay. I'm not spinning this out. All right, so the only one left to try is lemon, so let's do that. Okay, let me get a lemon. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Reaction table. Oh! Oh! Oh, okay. Oh! 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 Okay, that one's not good. Oh! Oh! Oh, no.
Yeah, it's absolutely terrible.
Second worst. Ugh. Oh, yeah, no, I'm getting rid of that one. Okay, after many sour and screaming moments, we finally finished all the warheads. Well, all the flavors. We still have the whole package, but we're probably going to just eat the green apple. So, what's next? Oh, this isn't even
I
sour.
just want to try this.
Yeah, let's just try it. This isn't even sour. It's good. Okay, here we go. I already know this is going to be good, but yeah, it's good, no doubt. Okay, in conclusion, pretty much bad. Good, good, good. Okay, Merry Christmas, everyone, from Sonic and Tails.
Bye.